Hello, thank you for enrolling in our credit restoration program. You will be glad that you did. I've been fixing credit close to 30 years. I'm one of the top credit experts in the country. I sit on the board of NACSO, the National Association of Credit Services Organizations. That's the organization that regulates the credit repair industry. I'm very familiar with all details of how complicated cases can be, and my team is going to help whatever your situation is, and I might even be involved in your case depending. There's no magic wand to make anything that's truly accurate come off of your credit reports. There's no magic wand to just make that stuff vanish. Now please, let's go into that knowing, but there's a huge legal difference between what is 99% accurate and what's 100% accurate. During your initial consult, you probably the credit report went through line by line, what was wrong on the report and how we're going to fix it. And that's our next step. My purpose here is to introduce you to me. You'll be able to contact me if you need also. Robert at thecreditrestorationinstitute.com is my email address. My direct line is 804-823-9601, extension 101. You can get me if you have any questions. Go through your credit expert first, but you have access to me. And if you're in my program, whatever you need from our company, we're going to make sure that you're taken care of. Setting some expectations. The original credit report that you enrolled with, the name is ID Club. Now, the link that you should have used was ID Club /Cred Institute. This is the most detailed soft pull 3-bureau credit report that I could find out there. It's compatible with our auditing software. It's fantastic. The monthly subscription to it is $24.95. We've just heard, I didn't know we had to be enrolled in that too. Well, you do. I have to have credit reports to be able to refresh every 35 days. It's critical. Now, you'll be getting things from the credit bureaus. You'll be getting maybe settlement offers. We'll discuss this in some future videos, how we're going to finish your case, because you enrolled in our program, so how we're going to get you from where you are to where you want to be. And that's going to be real clear. You have to keep your ID Club subscription open. So the monthly services are one that's from us, but then ID Club is a third party, $24.95. So keep the ID Club subscription open. Also, anything that you notice, you're not going to be hearing anything for 35 days, which is when we can refresh your report. So don't be patient. Let the process work. If you get anything in the mail, God forbid something from the courts or anything like that, get us involved immediately. We have attorneys on staff. We have a nationwide attorney network. So whichever state you're in, we're going to be able to handle you and help you. As we mentioned, there's no additional charge for attorney services. If the situation evolves into lawsuits, there are possible filing fees, which we'll talk about, but you'll have no charge for an attorney retainer, or to speak to an attorney, or to get your case legal ready, because that's our dispute process. Everything we do, we're not just disputing things. Anyone can dispute things. We look at what is truly inaccurate on your credit report, what is wrong, how to fix it. We remind the bureaus, we remind the original creditors, the data furnishers, collection agencies, what they're doing wrong, and then through our dispute process, we are building potential litigation. So this is the expectation. Be patient, let us work. What's going on with my case? Okay, hang in there, we'll interpret that for you as needed. But you'll be able to log into our portal, and that's another one thing I wanted to mention. You'll have access to everything we're doing, which is so incredible. You'll be getting an email shortly, since you just enrolled. Charisse at Credit Restoration Institute will be sending the email to you that says welcome, and that'll be the instructions to log into your portal. And once you get in, you can go through everything. It's a pretty awesome experience, and it's totally transparent. It's nothing, if you've ever been with one of these large call centers, this is nothing like that. And I think you'll be excited about this process. I'm excited to welcome you. I'm Robert Linconis again, Executive Director. I very much look forward to going on this journey with you. Thank you for enrolling in my program. I look forward to seeing fantastic results on your case. Thank you.